It is so easy to use this AI tool to create designs and build a full set of marketing assets without writing complicated prompts and without jumping between different tools. So let me show you how I use this AI agent to create one design and turn it into multiple print-on-demand products, lifestyle creatives, and even a promo video, all inside the same workflow. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can use the built-in skill feature to repeat the whole process every time you want to create similar workflow. So the AI tool I'm talking about is called Flova AI. You will find the link in the description that will take you directly to the platform. Once you log in, you will find the tools menu on your left side, and right in front of you we have the main prompt window. And if you press on the models tab, you will get to see all the available models on the Flova AI platform. You can switch between the image models, the video models, the music, and the narration models if you want to use any specific model during your generations. So I'm going to use the GPT Image 2 model by selecting it from the models tab, and then I'm going to add my prompt: generate a skateboard themed t-shirt design, streetwear t-shirt graphic on a white background, and then press enter. We need to generate our design first, and this will open this window. Let's call it like your workboard, where you will find the chat with the agent on the right side, the media that is being generated on the middle or with the preview window, and on the left side, or the generated assets during this chat, you will going to have it collected and seen on the left side. As you have seen, my prompt was very generic, and this is the design I got: a cool skateboard design as per my prompt on a white background. So I'm going to ask the agent to add suitable text or slogan in a cool matching font. Very generic prompt, and since this is an agent, it does not need a detailed prompt. It's going to generate the designs based on the prompt, even if it is a generic one like this one. And here is the design: shred the streets. So this one is really cool, and if you press on the edit button below the design on the preview tab, you will get to see the prompt that was used by the agent to generate this design. So it basically updated my prompt or upgraded it so that it could create this design. And this is one of the advantages of using an agentic model. So now let's try to create some mockups using this design. So I'm going to ask the agent to add this design to a model to start creating images for marketing promotions. So add this design to the front of a t-shirt on a male model with green hair. Let's make him very unique with green hair, skating on the street, lifestyle image. And Flova agent again gets to work. We're still on the same chat window. We did not jump to any other window, and all the assets are being generated here within the same board. And in a couple of seconds I get this cool image of the model, the male skater, with the design. The design is exactly as is without changes, and this is what I was looking for. And also the image is added to the media on the left side. Now I would like to create some brand items using the same design. So add the design on a mug, a laptop sticker, a backpack, a coaster, and I would like to see different or separate image for each of these marketing images. And we see that on the media section, all the images are being generated simultaneously, and even if I ask for more images at the same time, it is going to work together to create all the images at once. So let's see what we got here. This is the mug mockup. Very nice image. This is the sticker, the backpack. Here, this mockup image, the design is a little bit misplaced. I feel that it is shifted to the right. So I'm going to use the edit tab and ask it to recreate this backpack image and make sure that the design is centered. So try to center the design on the middle. While we are waiting, I'm going also to prepare my next command. I also need the design on a t-shirt to use for my e-commerce store. Add the design to 3 different colored t-shirts. And by the way, this is the updated backpack image. Now the design is centered nicely. So it mainly regenerated the image on the backpack. and created this cool, very realistic design. And by the way, it even changed the font to white so that it can fit nicely on the black color. So now my next command is I need these images of the design on t-shirts for my e-commerce store, and here are the images. I also asked for a hoodie, so these are the hoodie images with the design on it, and all the assets are on my media board on the left side. You can see them all generated and added to the media every time I generate an asset. Now, I would like to generate multiple videos to promote this design. This is my next request to the agent. So I simply added this skater image to the prompt, to the chat window, and I asked it to use this image and this character for my promo videos. So if you simply press on any image on your preview tab, you can add it to the chat box as a reference. I'm also asking it to use 𝗣𝗟𝗏𝗧 2.0 model to generate the videos. I like to use this model instead of leaving it to the agent to use any model. And also I would like to generate 2 different UGC videos in a 9:16 format. So it is one prompt asking it to generate multiple videos. What the agent is doing here, it is basically analyzing and comprehend the request. Then it works on creating its own prompt to generate the assets, which are the videos in this case. And here it started to work on generating the videos, or the UGC videos in our case. And in the media box, we see that both videos are being generated simultaneously. And here the agent is confirming that both videos are generated. Let's see the results. So both videos are very nice, and it kept consistent character on both videos, and this is what I was looking for. So I'm going to add the model image, the main one with the skateboard, again to the chat box, and I'm going to ask the agent to use this image to create or generate a 15-second video to use as a hero video for my e-commerce store. So this coming video is a 16:9 format, and again I'm asking it to use the 𝗣𝗟𝗏𝗧 2.0. What is really cool about this workflow is that you have everything in one place: the chat window with the agent on the right side, all the generated media assets on the left, and a preview window with the selected asset on the middle, so that you can edit it, regenerate it, or use it to direct your agent with new instructions, all within one chat window, all within one place, without a need to jump between different tools or workflows. So after a couple of minutes, we get the video, a 15-second cinematic hero video generated from the lifestyle image of our main character now skating on the street. Very nice video that can definitely be used as a hero video for our store. If we press on the timeline tab at the top, we can even add our generated assets to a timeline to generate a video, and even add music and a narrator to it, so that we don't need to go to a different video editing tool. I'm going to ask it now to generate suitable background music for the video and add it to my timeline. And here we see that the agent is generating 2 audio files at the same time as 2 different variations to use as background music. And here it did generate 2 music files, and both files added to the media library on the left. So I can simply drag any of them and add it to my timeline below, so that I can test it with the video and see how it matches. So simply press on the play button, and all the assets on your timeline are going to be played. All the workflow is being done within Flova AI without the need to jump between tools. I can even increase the volume, play with the video, fading it out. and eventually export the video also using the export button at the top. Now let's move to the final part of the video where we can use the skills to enhance the workflow and make it faster. And simply the skills are a feature that you can use within your chat box or within the platform to automate the workflow. So here I'm going to ask it to convert all this conversation and the tasks that I did within this chat to convert it to a skill. And the agent is going to go through the chat and convert this procedure, all the procedure from start to finish, since we created a design until we created promo videos and create a skill for the whole process. And here it says that the skill is ready. It basically created 5 phases for this skill: graphic design creation, the product mockup, the lifestyle, imagery, the promotional videos, and the background music. So it's a skill of all the procedures and all the steps that we have used within this chat. So anytime now I need to recreate the whole thing from start to finish, I can just ask it to use this skill within the chat box. It says that it is now added as a skill.md file within my chat box. And even if I don't want to use any or to create a skill from the beginning, I can simply press on the skill tab and use any of the built-in skills on the platform. Each one has different automation and different description. And we can even use the skills from the home screen. So we can simply go to the home screen, press on the skill button, and use any of the skills added to the platform. There are different categories for each of the skills. So there are graphic design skills, there are blogging skills. So for example, let's go and add one of the skills. This one here, the product commercial skill. And if we press on it, we can see the description of it. It's talking about creating AI commercial ads of our product. So I'm going to add the product, which is in this case a mockup. So I'm going to add this image of this design to the chat box and use the skill with it. It's a generic design added to the prompt box, and without even writing anything, I'm going to press on the generate so that the agent is going to analyze this product, which is the t-shirt with the cat eating the ramen, and the skill. And here it will start processing the skill. But before proceeding, it asked me to which video format do I want. So I choose the vertical video, 15 seconds. So it simply asks me to choose which video format I would like for the output to be. And here it opened a storyboard window on the left side describing how the video is going to be generated. And it asked also me if I would like to generate the statement images, and I selected to proceed with it. So every time it asks you if you would like to have specific requests during the process, and you can select your preferences, and the AI agent is going to proceed accordingly until all the steps within the skill is completed and the final result is generated. This is how simple these skills could create efficient workflows for you without the need to rebuild it from the beginning. And here it did generate 3 different short videos with the design. All the videos are different. So the biggest value here is not just that Flova AI can generate images or videos, it's that it helps merch and print-on-demand sellers or creators to turn one design into a complete set of marketing assets much faster. So instead of using separate tools for mockups, lifestyle images, social creatives, and promo videos, I was able to do everything inside one workflow through the Flova agent dashboard. So that means less tool juggling, less wasted time, and of course less cost. And at the same time, you can still keep all the workflow within the same place. So if you want to try it yourself, use the link in the description and you will get instant free credits. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching.